we are in the pantry. It is several hours later. I wanted to show you guys. Look at where I put that tree. There was nothing in here, so I felt like it needed it. So the pantry is all done, all organized. We are going to go from the top down. So as you guys can see up here at the top, we've got all of our cereals. Then I've got coffee type drinks. Then I've got baking supplies, and I'm going to be getting a bigger container for extra flour and sugar, but I just haven't found what I quite wanted yet, and it's not quite in the budget. Then we've got extra spices, and we've got our baking oatmeal, breadcrumbs, fruit pie filling, as well as brownie and cake mixes and frosting. Then as I go across, there's my canning boxes. I'm still not really happy with those, but I'm leaving them there for now. And then here's that internal prepper in me that feels like she needs 20 boxes of light bulbs. And I'm super excited with how this basket worked up here. This now has all of our plastic cups, paper plates, napkins, and plastic silverware. Then you come down here and I've got my laundry stuff right in here. And there's more light bulbs. My laundry stuff, I use liquids, but I also have pods, detergent, stain getter, go-getter, stain, I don't know what it's called. Then we've got some Ziploc, some Kleenexes, things like that. As we come across here, here are some of the things that you've seen in my hauls recently. And so we've got all the potatoes, we've got some hamburger helper, we've got easy meals right here. And we've got salsas and sauces and spaghetti sauce, pizza sauce, things like that. I've got some of my canned goods here. This is asparagus and salsa that I've canned. Then this is our breakfast section right here. I've got a couple boxes of cereal there. We've got some oatmeal here and pancake mix back there, along with some muffins to make and some of the hot chocolate. We do have more, just so you know. And then this is the baking basket. And inside of this baking basket is everything from sweetened coconut to chocolate chips to walnuts, sugar blends, things like that. And then we get into the dinner basket. And this has beans and rice and pastas and all kinds of things in there. All right, so there's that. We already saw this shelf here. But as we go down, just so you guys know, there's my husband's tools again. And so those still need to be organized. I have all kinds of Scentsy there. Here's how this basket worked out right here. I think it did very well. We've got the chips. You can tell my son got into those chips. And then I really like what I'm using this for. I've got the Jell-Os on here. And then I also have the Kool-Aid on here. This used to be up at the top. It was a double box, but I went ahead and cut that down. We're not a huge Kool-Aid family, but we do have nieces and nephews that come over that would like some Kool-Aid. Then we've got our granola bars, and we've got our crackers down here. And then under there, that's where I put all those fireballs that were my husband's because I didn't know where else to put them. Then as we scroll down here, we've got canned goods. And I would like eventually to have one of those awesome things that you can put your cans into to keep track of them, but I don't have those yet. We've got some broth there. We've got some more easy meals. We've got some of the soup cups there. We've got chili and raviolis. Then we've got our extra condiments. And then as we come down here, we have got pet food. I know it looks like kitty litter containers. They're not. We're just reusing, right? Recycle, reuse. And so that is my pantry. Hello again, friends. I thought I would just show you really quick what I am making for myself this morning. We have entered a local lights competition, and for entering that from our town, we got a little thing of homemade hot chocolate, and she wrapped it up all cute. It's from a little store in our town called Nested West. Super, super cute. So it's some homemade hot chocolate. You should check out her website. It's www.nestedwest.com. When I went into her shop, I thought I was going to go broke. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on the tripod and make this up really quick, and I'll let you guys know how it is. All right, guys, let's try it. You're going to hear me sipping. That's delicious. It's not overly sweet. Super yummy.